Good morning, everyone.
David, are you still drinking your tea?
What is it, Jane? What do you want?
David, can you tell me whose this is? David, did you really bring this? Oh no!
Yes, Jane, I bought it. Did you really like it?
Oh wow, look at that.
Yay, Dad bought an RV. Dad, is this ours? I like it very much.
Oh, really?
Dad, it is so big and so huge.
Tom, do you know we can live inside this?
Ooh, wow, beautiful.
Okay, Tom, you really liked it? Come, let's go inside and see.
Wow, Mom, look, there is so many things inside. Yeah, hey.
It's like a house on wheels.
Mom, my toys.
David, can you tell me who kept all these things here, please?
Okay. I kept them here.
But David, why did you keep all the things inside over here?
It's a surprise, my dear.
Tom, do you know we can have an adventure on this?
Okay, kids, are y'all ready for your adventure now?
Alright. Well, so we're going for an adventure now?
You know, wow, this is going to be fun, isn't it?
Yes, we can explore so many places together.
Okay, children, we will start our trip now.
Wow!
Ah, oh no. Am I ready? Ha ha ha. I am ready, Dad.
Okay, you can go and take what you need now.
Yay, let's go.
All right, let's enjoy the trip, guys.
Wow, feels so good. Look, it is so beautiful outside.
Let's spend some time here.
Mom, I love this place. It's beautiful.
Okay, let's look around. It's lovely.
Yes, it looks amazing.
Come, kids, let's do some fishing now. Hey, Tom, look, I got one.
Oh, wow, Dad, that was so much fun.
Mom, let me see the fish.
Look, he is swimming.
Okay, the fish is ready.
Oh, Mom, that's hot. I have to write all this down.
Alright, come on. Let's look around. Hey, look, this place is so magical. Wow, Mom, are we going to stay in this tent? Wow, it looks like a barred castle. Good morning, children. Wake up.
Okay, let's get ready to go now. Bye. I don't feel like going. Dad, will we be coming again?
It's okay, Tom. That will bring us again.
Wow.
Yes. Let me write this down.
Dad, we will miss this place.
Yes, Dad.
Okay. Don't worry, kids. We will come back again someday, for sure.
Bye, beautiful things. I'll come back again.
Nature is so beautiful.
Okay, kids. We will reach home soon. Okay, kids. We are back now.
The sun wakes up with a giggle today. Clouds do a dance and then float away. Birds sing a tune like a sweet ballet.